In a sunlit kitchen, a stubborn coffee mug cracks, but the quick fix mix crew sees opportunity rather than failure. A thin fiber tape, a dab of epoxy, and a patient hands-on approach turn the break into a hidden seam that glows with resilience. A slow, calming narration explains pressure distribution and how gentle clamps hold pieces without warping. The final reveal shows the mug with a smooth surface and a subtle, accidental pattern that tells its own repair story. Viewers are invited to try small, precise fixes and savor the quiet satisfaction of a problem solved.